Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. You're watching English Study with Shweta. Today we are going to look at some daily use English sentences. First one we have is Jo hua so hua. In English we would say let bygones be bygones. Let bygones be bygones. Let's look at another sentence. सावधानी में ही भलाई है. It's better to be safe than sorry. It's better to be safe than sorry. सारी उम्मीद एक ही जगह मत लगाओ. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Now this also means कि पूरा concentration, पूरा focus हमें सिर्फ एक जगह पर नहीं लगाना चाहिए. हमें सारी चीज़ें एक ही जगह पे रिस्क नहीं करनी चाहिए. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. अब फैसला आपके हाथ में है. बजाय कहने के the decision is yours, you can say the ball is in your court now. The ball is in your court now. किसी को उसके बाहरी रूप से मत आंकिए. Don't judge a book by its cover. It means not to judge by mere appearance. Don't judge a book by its cover. आप एक साथ सब कुछ नहीं पा सकते. You cannot have your cake and eat it too. It means to have or to do two good things at the same times that are impossible to have or do at the same time. यानी आप दो चीज़ों को एक साथ परस्यू नहीं कर सकते, एक साथ उनके बेनिफिट्स नहीं ले सकते हैं. So only one thing at one time. अपनी क्षमता से ज़्यादा काम ले लेना. Now it means bite off more than you can chew. Bite off more than you can chew. Then we have बिल्कुल सही बात करना. In English we say hit the nail on the head. आपने बिल्कुल सही बात की. You have hit the nail on the head. हर अंधकार में उजाले की उम्मीद होती है. हर परेशानी अपने साथ कोई सॉल्यूशन लेकर आती है. इसे हम इंग्लिश में कहेंगे Every cloud has a silver lining. Every cloud has a silver lining. कर्म शब्दों से ज़्यादा प्रभावी होते हैं. Actions speak louder than words. Actions speak louder than words. जो बीत गया है उसके लिए पछतावा मत करो. Do not cry over spilled milk. It cannot be changed now. Do not cry over spilled milk. ज़्यादा जिज्ञासा नुकसान दे सकती है. Curiosity killed the cat. It means we should be curious but to a certain level. Curiosity killed the cat. मैं तुम्हारी बात मान लेता हूँ. Let me give you the benefit of the doubt. इसे हम यूज़ करते हैं जब हमें पूरी तरह से यकीन ना हो कि सामने वाला सच बोल रहा है या नहीं, फिर भी हम उनकी बात सच मान लें. Let me give you the benefit of the doubt. मैं तुम्हारी बात मान लेता हूँ. Then we have जो नज़रों से दूर होता है वह दिल से भी दूर हो जाता है. In English we say out of sight, out of mind. Out of sight, out of mind. Then we have यह छुपा हुआ वरदान है. It's an idiom. We say that's a blessing in disguise. It appears bad at first, but it's really good. That's a blessing in disguise. Then we have दो गलतियां मिलकर सही नहीं बन सकती. Two wrongs don't make a right. If it's wrong, then it is wrong. Two wrongs don't make a right. अभ्यास से ही परिपूर्णता आती है. This is very common sentence. Practice makes perfect. जैसा बोओगे वैसा काटोगे. You reap what you sow. Sometimes the consequences are there because of your actions. So you reap what you sow. समय रहते अवसर का लाभ उठाओ. Strike while the iron is hot. Strike when there is an opportunity in front of you. Alright? Then we have देर आए दुरुस्त आए. Better late than never. It's better to get something late, to realize something late, than to realize never. जो हो गया उसे बदला नहीं जा सकता. In English we say, what's done is done. What's done is done. It's very simple sentence. Then we have, जो जल्दी जागता है उसे सफलता मिलती है. The early bird catches the worm. The early bird catches the worm. दोस्तों को पास रखो लेकिन दुश्मनों को और पास. Keep your friends close and enemies closer. Keep your friends close and enemies closer. चुप्पी अनमोल होती है. Silence is golden. Well, thank you so much for watching my video till the very end. Though the sentences appear short and simple, but they're used every single day. So make sure to include them for a better flow of conversation. I'll be back with a new video. Till then, you guys take care.